Hi, my name is Alex and welcome back to another Fusion 360 sheet metal tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to make this custom corner relief which is perfect for welding. So in a new part, let's start a sketch on the top plane. And with a center rectangle we will make just an arbitrary dimensioned square for our base flange. Swapping over to sheet metal tab or using your hotkey. I have a hotkey. Turn that into a base flange, and this will be the default steel, which is 2mm, and it has a baked in internal bend radius of 2mm as well. And with the base flange again, or the hotkeys, select these lines and bring them down and turn off miter corners. We can see here that the distance between this face and this face is the same as the internal bend radius, which is 2mm. And according to SendCutSend's website, this distance and this distance is a minimum of 0.4mm or 15 thou. So we will use that. So now let's unfold and start a sketch on this top face here. Let's draw in a diagonal, and this will be 45 degrees. You can either dimension this from the edge, 45, or you could use the symmetry constraint. Let's turn that construction, and let's give that a dimension. And now we can draw in the extension of the flange and also the cutout of the relief. We will remember that the internal bend radius is 2mm. So if we did 2mm here and refolded this part, the corners would touch and it would not be a valid sheet metal part. So I'll do 2mm or the internal bend radius, and I will take away 0.4, which is the distance that we're going for, and I will divide that by the square root of 2. Because 0.4 is C in Pythagoras theorem and A and B are the same, so it's 0.4 divided by the square root of 2, and press enter, which gives us this 1.7 dimension. And now we'll come in with the vertical and some tangent arcs by just while we're still in this line tool, selecting the endpoint and dragging, and then a line, and then finish off this arc. And we'll take it halfway, and then we can mirror things over. And let's do a coincidence here and here, and here and the start of this arc. Let's draw in this final line, and we can mirror everything over. With one final dimension here. You can either make this parallel, but I like to make it a little bit acute, so 5 degrees. Now with this geometry here, we could press pull to the other side, and again with the same sketch, press pull this geometry and join it. Now we're ready to refold our faces, and because it's Fusion 360, it doesn't allow us to accurately join onto the flange without giving us this little surface effect. So we can select these and press delete. And now we can verify that the distance between these edges is 0.4. And there you have it. That is a custom corner relief for sheet metal, perfect for welding. It's given me good success in the past. What the welders do is they might put a copper block behind it and weld, and because the copper won't fuse in with the aluminum when you're using TIG or oxy welding, then it leaves a nice clean edge and a nice fill surface. So if you had any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much.